Hello Udemy, I am Shazad Ahmed from shekzi.com and welcome in lecture number 14. Today we are going to continue the fade effects and we are learning the slide. Basically, you can up and down any HTML element using slide event. Okay, so now how can you do that? For suppose, go to the shekzi.com. Okay, so now as we know, you have your menu bar. Just hover on the element. So as you know, it's sliding, slide down, slide out, slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up. Okay, so this effect, you can use this effect using the slide. How can you do that? Just I'm using the command so you can easily get the code. Make sure we are working on the external scripting because we have a custom.js file and we have added the custom.js file in our HTML code. So this is our HTML code or HTML file. So this is the custom.js file. Make sure we have also added the jquery file. We have downloaded the jquery from the jquery.com, the official website, and make sure you have to add all the JS file below the jquery code. So you have to add first of all the jquery, and then you can also add all the JS file below the jquery. Okay, so now go to your page, refresh the page. You have two buttons. I'm removing one button. Okay, so now I have to also remove the fade out property because we are not working on the fade out. Now we have a one div and we have a one button. I'm saying this is the paragraph because paragraph has an inline property, sorry, block level element. Go to your page, refresh the page. So that's why I have just added the block level element. Okay, so don't worry about it. You can also use the BR code for suppose to break the row. BR. Okay, so now it totally depends upon you. Now, how can you use the fade out property? And first of all, how fade out, or sorry, slide down property or slide down, slide up, and slide toggle works. So this is a syntax. Your selector goes here. Make sure this is the jQuery syntax and your selector goes here. And now your event here, which is the slide up, slide down. Okay, like slide down, as you know. And now your callback function appears here. Make sure you can also pass the speed parameters, which is 1000 or 2000, your speed here, and then you have callback function. Okay, so it's totally dependent upon you. It's not, wait a second, it's a function. Okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, so now I'm saying whenever someone click on the button, just I'm sliding up and then we use the slide down. How you do that? I'm saying that whenever someone click on the button, just click, and now I'm saying this is the callback function. And now I'm saying when someone click on the button, find the div because we have a single div, so that's why I'm using the div. If you have a class or div, you can also call by class or by ID. I'm saying I have a div, my div class. I'm saying find all the divs and I'm using the slide up method. Okay, slide up, go to your page, refresh the page, click on the button. So as you know, you have added the slide up property, or sorry, it's not a property, it's an event, slide up event. You can also pass the parameter. For suppose I'm saying 1000, that means I'm talking about the 1 second. Just go to your page, refresh the page, click on this. So as you know, it's sliding up. Make sure how sliding up works. So the jQuery slide up method is used to slide up any element. You can slide up any element, any HTML element using slide up property. Okay, so you can also use the callback function. For suppose after the slide up, I'm saying that I have to use the slide down property, and I'm saying that this is the div, find this div, and I'm using slide down property and how many seconds I'm saying 3 seconds, so I'm using 3000. Go to your page, refresh the page, click on the button. So as you know, 1 second slide up and 3 seconds slide down. So this is the callback function. You can also use the callback function. It's totally depend upon you, but I'm not using the callback functions here. Okay, I'm just using the slide up method or slide up event. So now I'm creating another button, and now I'm saying this button has a slide up, and now I'm saying slide down. Okay, so now I'm saying I have the class slide up, and now I'm saying I have another property slide down. Okay, so now I'm saying whenever someone click on the class, which is the slide up, and now I'm saying use the slide up event, and also I'm creating another selector. I'm saying whenever someone click on the slide down class, so this is the event and this is the callback function. Okay, fine. And I'm saying find all the divs, because we have a single div, so that's why I can also say find the div because we have a single div, and use the slide down property. Sorry, it's not a property, it's an event. Slide down event, but 2 seconds, or I can say 1 second. Go to your page, refresh the page, slide up, slide down, slide up, slide down. It's totally dependent upon you. You can also use the callback function here. After the slide down, I'm saying show me the alert. So I'm saying working. Go to your page, refresh the page, click on the slide up, click on the slide down, and alert. Okay, because it's a single div, so that's why you are alerting a single alert. Okay, so now it's totally depend upon your usage. I'm saying I'm just using the slide down property. I always say slide down property. It's an event, not property. Okay, so now you have a slide up and slide down. We have another slide toggle. So basically how slide toggle works, the jQuery slide toggles method toggle between the slide up and the slide down. So how I'm saying I have a single button. Okay, so you don't need to add the, okay, I have a single button and I'm using the slide up and slide down property with a single button. So how can you do that? I'm saying I should comment this, because you will get the code, and I'm saying this is the whenever someone click on the button, because we have a single button, event, callback function, and now I'm saying find the div because we have a single div, so that's why we are creating the element selector. Okay, if you have a class or ID, you can also call by class and ID. I'm saying slide toggle. Okay, now go to your page, refresh the page, click on the slide up, it's a slide. Okay, go to your page, refresh the page, click on the button, it's sliding up, again click on the button, it's sliding down, sliding up, sliding down. With using this function, this event, you can slide up and you can use your slide up and slide down effects or slide up and slide down events. Okay, so now you can also pass the 1000. Go to your page, refresh the page, click on this, sliding up, sliding down with 1 second. You can also pass the second parameter, which is a callback function. I'm saying show me the alert after the sliding. I'm saying working. Go to your page, refresh the page, click on this, sliding. Okay, click on this, and again alert, because you are using the callback function. Okay, so now I'm saying that I'm just using the slide toggle, click and click. So it's totally depend upon you and your requirement. So in this way you can use the slide up and slide down and slide toggle events. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to continue our effects. So thank you for watching.